In this video, I will show you how to make a thread on Instagram Threads. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up the Threads app on your device. And if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. So to actually create a new thread, what you want to do is come to these icons down at the bottom and you want to click onto the one in the middle down here. From here, what you can do is go ahead and start writing your thread. And if you want to, you can add some attachments just by clicking this paperclip icon underneath. And what you can do is add photos and videos to your thread. So once that's done, underneath at the very bottom, you can choose your public settings as well. So as you can see, it says at the moment anyone can reply, but if you press onto this, you can limit who replies. So for example, profiles you followed or mentioned only. Once you're happy, all you need to do is click the post button down in the bottom right hand corner and you'll see it's going to start posting that to threads. After a minute or two, you're going to get a confirmation saying posted. And if you want to view your posted threads, just come down to your profile, which is this icon in the bottom right hand corner, and you're going to see all your threads that you've posted. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.